Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to map a phone list in the Phone List Manager. Before we begin, we recommend that you not load more than 100,000 phone numbers in any one list because it will slow down your computer. Also, if required by law, make sure your lists are scrubbed for Do Not Call or D&C numbers. This tutorial starts at the mapping screen. If you don't know anything about importing a phone list or how to get to this mapping screen, please watch the How to Import a Phone List video tutorial. Now, let's begin. The existing mapping needs to be cleared before mapping a new phone list. To clear the mapping, go to the source field column and click on any row, click on the drop-down arrow, scroll up to the top of the box, and select Ignore All. A pop-up window will appear. Click OK. Notice that the source field is now set to Ignored in every row. Now we're ready to map the new phone list. Start at the top with the Target field. Click on Account Number. Notice the arrow to the left of the number 1. This is indicating that Target Field 1 is selected. The sample list doesn't have an account number field, so I will leave number 1 as ignored and start with number 2, Company. Click on Company. Now go to the File Preview section below and find the column that has the company name. Click the Field 1 column heading. Once the field heading is clicked, the data column will turn blue and the source field above has changed to Field 1. The company name has now been mapped. To continue, click on First Name and find the first name column below. You may need to scroll right or left to find the correct field. Click Field 8. Click on Last Name and Field 9. I do not need to map the contact field, so I will leave it as ignored. Next is the phone number. This is the most important field to be mapped. Phone 1 cannot be left as ignored. It must be mapped to the phone number or the phone list will not process correctly in Step 2. Click on Phone 1 and Field 6. Scroll down until the next 5 fields are showing in the Target Field section. Click on Address 1 and Field 2, City, Field 3, State, Field 4, Zip, Field 5, Email, and Field 7. All of the fields for this list are now mapped. There are other fields that can be mapped, as well as 10 user fields available for custom data. Once you have mapped all of the fields that are needed for your phone list, click Finish to start the importation. The amount of time it takes to import the file will depend on the size of your phone list and the speed of your computer. Once the import is finished, you will be on the main List Manager window with your phone list now showing. Use the scroll bar at the bottom to move to the right to view all of the fields and make sure they are correct, especially the phone number field. If your file is correct, click the Step 2 button. When Step 2 is finished, name your phone list and click OK. Your new phone list is now saved. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.